Namaste yogis. Today we will practice Adi Mudra. For Adi Mudra, the thumb is placed at the base of the small finger. Remaining fingers curl over the thumb, forming a fist. Place your hand on the knees. Back straight, shoulder relaxed, eyes closed. Breathe normally throughout this practice. Practice this mudra for at least 15 minutes. It is called the first gesture as it is the first position the hands of the fetus is capable of making inside the womb of a mother. It helps in reducing snoring, bringing more oxygen to the throat and head. It also increases the capacity of the lungs and stimulates the brain, thus activating the Sahasrara chakra.